square neck dress is a casual, short dress with puff sleeves and a square neckline. Here's a breakdown of its features. Style: casual, cute, feminine. Neckline: square. Sleeves: long puff sleeves with elastic cuffs. Dress style: A-line silhouette. Length: mini, above the knee. Material: soft, lightweight, slightly stretchy polyester. Closure: invisible zipper on the back. Special features: Smocked back for a better fit, tie-back option available in some variations. The dress comes in a variety of colors including black, white, pink, florals, and grids. You can find it in sizes ranging from small to XXL. Prices typically range around $40. Here are some places you can find the Exlura women's square neck dress. Exlura's website.